Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have checked into Matheran and I'm here for a birding and herping trip. So let me take you through my experience of Matheran.
If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
So guys, I'm here for a weekend trip. So on the first day, Saturday, we will be doing herping. Herping means finding and photographing reptiles and amphibians. And second day will involve birding. Means obviously finding and photographing birds. Winter in Matheran is amazing and many birds come here to help us photograph. So let us try to find them and photograph them. For the first part, that is herping, I will be using my Nikon D5300 with 7300mm kit lens, and for macro I am going to attach my Renox TCR 250 to my 7300 and shoot. I will obviously attach a flash to my camera because flash is must for macro, and also attach a small diffuser to the flash so that the light spreads more evenly. My settings will be aperture priority, and I'll keep my aperture around f16, f18, depends on how I can get my subject into focus. ISO I'll try to keep it less, 125, 200, not raise it much because I have a flash to help me, and my flash will help me keep a shutter speed of at least 1/60. That's why having a flash is good for macro photography guys. It really can help. And spot metering, white balance will be auto, and with these settings let's start clicking. And I'm staying at the Giri Vihar hotel here in Matheran, and if you want to check out my experience of how I enjoyed staying at Giri Vihar, the video is right here and also with the link down below, you can check it out. We have had lunch and we will leave at around 4 p.m. for herping. By the time we leave, it will get a little dark at around 6:30, and then the magic will start when we start exploring and getting good nocturnal creatures on the way. If you want to walk in the night at Matheran, having a headlamp is a must because there's hardly any street light out there in Matheran in the night. So if you want to go for night photography, be very careful, go with the headlamp, and best to go in a group. I have come in a group. I have come with a tour with DCP Expeditions, Yogesh Jawan sir, who has been coming to Matheran for around 40 years. I don't do snake and reptile photography alone guys, because obviously I'm not that experienced and I get scared. No shame in admitting that. So it's good to go with an expert guide who can help you in your photography, in finding subjects, identifying them, and having lots of fun. Let me show you where we went for herping. We first went to Alexander Point, which is near Hotel Giri Vihar, explored the area, then proceeded all the way to reach Baymaster Park, then Echo Point. When we reached Echo Point, it started to get dark, so we had our headlamps out, explored the area, reached Walker's Tank, then came back the whole way to our hotel Giri Vihar. We found a snake, the common bronzeback tree snake. Long walk for 4-5 hours. We started at 4 p.m. The night ride will end at around 9 p.m. The walk of 4-5 hours. Let's do this. For birding, guys, I'm going to use my Nikon D5300 with 7300 mm kit lens. Settings, I'm going to shoot in aperture priority. Keep my aperture around f6.3. ISO can be around 200-250. Since we are going to shoot in broad daylight, it won't be a problem. But if there is less light, the bird is sitting in the shade or something, I may have to raise my ISO because I want a shutter speed of at least 1/1000 for birds, because obviously they move so fast. Spot metering, white balance will be auto, and I'm going to use a -0.3 exposure. So with these settings, let's start clicking. So guys, I had a lot of fun at Matheran. You can definitely come here, guys, and explore the amazing natural heritage of Matheran. It's pollution free, guys, and very pleasant. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends with whom you would like to come here. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Matheran vlog. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.